Hey there, everybody. Thomas with the Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, November 6th, and we're going to take a look really quick here at the Russell. And I know I'm showing the S&P right now, but we're going to talk about the Russell and what our outlook is for that market. So one of the things we've seen happen here recently, we've seen the indices all been climbing fairly strong over the past few weeks. And as you know, we've had a bullish bias with them. But if you look at what the Russell's done, yesterday we expected a retracement. Today we talked about it in the trading room. We talked about it in the end of the video, saying, okay, look for a little bit of a pullback, and we're going to watch for what we call a daily bull flag. Now, the other thing I'm paying attention to here with the Russell is this retest, where we've broken through the trend lines inside this pennant, rallied, we've pulled back to retest broken resistance, now a support, and then we'll look for this to turn and climb higher. So how should this play out? Well, what we should see happen is if this last kiss or this bull flag is going to play out the way we would expect, we want to see either tomorrow or the day after break through today's high, that would trigger the setup, and then we should see acceleration over the following several days, at least up to this 1625 area where we had the previous pivot high. So an example of that happening is the S&P here. This is the same setup we traded in the S&P last week, where we had broken through the resistance. We pulled back and retested the broken trend line, previously broken resistance, now a support, triggered, and then followed through to the upside. We had a nice swing trade there that lasted a couple days back to the upside. So I'm positioning myself the same way with the Russell, and along the Russell from just a few points off the low right now, with my stop down below today's low and below the retest. So we're looking for the Russell to turn and start to follow through the next couple of days back to the upside. So far, it's moving our direction already, which is what we want to see. So that's the current outlook for the Russell. We're watching for that last kiss, that retest of the broken resistance. Now a support on the dailies. It will trigger on a break of the previous daily high. If you want the aggressive entry, you'd be buying now with your stop down around 83 or so below the trend lines. But that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And until next time, happy trading, everybody.